what is Salesforce Experience Cloud? Let's get into it. Experience Cloud is an online social platform that enables companies to connect customers, partners, and employees with each other and the data and records they need to get the work done. As I said in the example of the e-commerce application, the customer wanted a digital experience. The delivery partner wanted a digital experience, and the employee who was supposed to get that replacement request done wanted a digital experience. In order to provide all of these three people, different people by the way, all of these three people are different people who would need different information, who would be provided with different access to different kinds of data, but they all but the data that should be stored. I mean, all of the data related to all of the three should be onto the same platform for all of them to be to interact with each other most of the times. Of course, you can do some integrations and stuff like that. But the point is, you want all of them to interact with each other without there being a manual system or there being a humans involvement there, right? The customer, the employees, and the partners need to interact or engage into activities on their own. So you're trying to build a community, and whenever you're trying to build a community where people are helping people by themselves, you have to invest into the platform or onto the community that you're creating. And Experience Cloud is the right platform which can help you do exactly the same. And that's all that's I think all what it is. And it also provides you integration capabilities. So if your partner would want to scan the barcodes and do all of that stuff, and there's a different application to scan the barcodes and do different things, or there are different delivery partners, and you want the delivery partner's application to be integrated with your system as well, so that your customers can get to know or can track the live status of that particular product's replacement request. You need the integration to be there, right? And that can easily be done with the help of Experience Cloud, and not just with the delivery partners application, but also with the payment application if you're using some third-party payment gateways or something like that. Everything can be integrated very easily with the help of in Experience Cloud, either with the help of APIs or with the help of some integration tools, like point and click integration tools like MuleSoft and some Zapier stuff like that.
Yeah.
So that's all what it is. And the key reason why one should bother about using Experience Cloud is to enhance the productivity of the people involved into the business, whether them be the customers, the partners, and the employees. But at the same point of time, all of the data to be tracked, and all of the insights of the business should still be visible to the people who are running the business or people who have that business. So that's exactly what happens. Now, every participant in the business ecosystem can enhance customer service. Of course, you can make use of Experience Cloud to increase the customer service, to expedite deal closures if you're into some B2B business and there are some channel partners or there are some other partners who are also involved into closing the deals. The communication that happens in that situation with the help of tools like or systems like Experience Cloud becomes very, very easy, and the work gets done in real time, and you get to track the status of the work getting done in real time as well. Now let's talk about the what should we call it? The block diagram of how Experience Cloud is built and what all capabilities Experience Cloud has. Vishji.
So this kind of diagram depicts what's the capability and what are the things that Salesforce has to offer when it comes to digital experience. So we have the capability of the infrastructure itself only, the Hyperforce. Then we have the data cloud. Then we have Einstein, then we have flows, and then we have the capability to do development on top of it, and then we have the capability to do collaboration. Basically, right from the infrastructure to the data, and then adding on certain analytics and certain AI capabilities, we have the capabilities to run our flows, write our own logic, not write, but kind of configure our own logics, then do development. If we have to write some kind of logic, if we have to create some kind of UI, we can create it. And then we have the collaboration tool as well from Salesforce as its digital experience offering. Then we can, get the line of businesses. When I say LOB, the line of business applications, basically the capabilities that Salesforce offers out of the box. So we have marketing, commerce, sales, service industries. So with all of these combined, Salesforce has everything that a business or organization would need to provide digital experience, whether they want to give the digital experience to their customers, to their partners, to their employees itself only. So we have all the capability within Salesforce. If I talk about Hyperforce, I just wanted to kind of highlight that onto a little bit, because Hyperforce is something which is kind of new to a lot of people who are into Salesforce industry. So Hyperforce is a new way that Salesforce has come up with, where they are not managing the infrastructure internally. What they are doing is they are leveraging the public clouds like AWS, GCP, and Google Cloud as well, and Azure, to do certain things where basically they are not managing it, they are managing it on those particular public clouds. What this do is, this allows the businesses and organizations to have their data within their region or within the region that they want it to be based on compliance and regulations. And Salesforce also can offer, great scalability along with that. So we have that as well. So this is what Salesforce Digital Experience Platform is. Next, coming on to the evolution of Experience Cloud. So let's talk about a little bit how the Salesforce Experience Cloud has evolved over the time. So Experience Cloud came into the picture in 2013, when it was, primarily chatter and case definitions, and it was primarily running on Visualforce pages. Then come Lightning in 2016, and then
weren't there S controls at that point of time?
Yes, there were.
They were? No, I guess they got deprecated in 2012.
2012, yeah. Earlier, before than that, they were, but they were never into the picture for Experience Cloud, which were earlier Community Cloud.
Which was not Experience Cloud earlier. It was earlier called as Partner Portal or Customer Portal. Portals and communities were two different things.
Yeah. Right now we have Experience Cloud. Before than that, it was Community Cloud. Before than that, it was basically what you said, the portals. Yeah. So then from 2016, we got the capability of Lightning Experience, and then we got the Lightning Experience Builder. The Salesforce communities got a new face. And then we had the capabilities of Lightning Bolt. So Lightning Bolt is a capability where you get, pre-configured themes, pre-configured certain flows, pre-configured certain app exchange applications that you simply install and configure, which delivers the capability of doing certain things. If you want to do a healthcare community, you can do that. If you are having a non-profit specific requirement, you can simply go and install some Lightning Bolt solution for that as well. Then we had the capability of adding new templates, Lightning flows, and then we have the next best action from Einstein. So we got the capability. When that was happening, the pages views per month were increasing, like from 90 million, 250 million, 370 million. In 2020, Salesforce added new capabilities and rebranded Community Cloud to Experience Cloud. What they did was, primarily they added mobile publisher. Now, what does that mean is, we will be discussing it later as well. You can create mobile application right from the Experience Cloud that you are creating. You don't have to write any code. You don't have to write any logic. You don't have to, do any kind of additional work for making an application and making it live onto App Store or Play Store. You simply have to do some configuration and you will be able to do it. Then they added industry specific commerce solutions. They added microsites. They added LWR, which was recent. Now, whenever this was happening, so like right now we have more than 1.2 billion pages per views. Then we have 600 plus mobile applications. The number may have increased based on the source from where we have picked up.